Hi boys and girls, my name is Mrs. Wright. I am one of the other kindergarten teachers that will be introducing your lessons for you. So I'm very excited to join your class and be a part of your day. So I hope that you enjoy my lesson. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to your teacher. They can help answer any questions you might have. So let's get started. All right, so my lesson is 7.6. That really only matters for the teachers. But our I can statement, so the goal is by the end of the day, you will be able to say with confidence, I can identify and name a hexagon. So a hexagon is a two-dimensional shape. We call it a two-dimensional shape. We also call it a flat shape. Before we get into our new shape though, let's review what we've learned already. All right, so eyes up here. Up here we have the word. You know what? Let me see if I can zoom in a little. Yep, sure can. The word circle. A circle has 0 sides, 0 corners, and it is completely round. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners, and each side is straight. So 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, 3 corners, 1, 2, 3, and each side is straight. A square has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all sides are the same length. A rectangle has, oh, hold on, you can't see me right. Since I zoomed in, I lost a little bit of that board. Thank you for being patient. And so anyways, back to a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 2 long sides. There's 1 long side and the other long side, and 2 short sides. 1 short side, 2 short sides. So our brand new two-dimensional shape or flat shape is a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the sides are the same length with a hexagon. All right, so I've got a book to read to you called the Hexagon Book. This is a hexagon, and it has 6 straight lines. It also has 6 vertices. Oh, vertice is just a fancy word for corner, but you'll hear it a lot. It's a beehive, but what else do you see? Yes, we see hexagons. Can you count them? There's a lot. I'll hold it up to you guys, see if you can count them. If you want to pause the screen and go back, you can keep counting. There's a lot. All right, it is a house. What else do you see? Yes, we see shapes. Can you find the hidden hexagon? Oh, can you find it? I see it. Do you see it right there? It's just a snowflake. But can you spot the hexagon? I see it right there in the middle. How many hexagons can you spot in this picture? Look closely, then look again. Can you find any? All right, I see one here, 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 and the beehive. Let's see, here's a hexagon, the diamond's a hexagon. Did you find any more that I didn't find? I think we did pretty good. All right, so we're gonna put our hexagon book away and we are gonna open up. I don't know if, I know we're looking at we have a lot of different classes here today. So however you have your 7.6 page in your workbook or your folder or your binder, pull that out. And at the top you should see I can identify hexagons, and you should see hexagons all around the page, and that's how you know you're in the right place. So 7.6, that's probably the easiest way to find it. Alright, so for the first part, before we even begin, we always say, the first thing I do is always the same. I get my pencil and write my name. I don't know if everyone's teachers do that, but I know that everybody's teachers like them to put their name on their paper. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to zoom back in. And unplug ya. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me okay. So put your name at the top in your very best handwriting. And then the directions on the very first part are color the dots. It actually says color the dots to make them squares, but you should color the dots to make them hexagons, definitely, because those are hexagons. So I'm going to start here and connect the dots. Okay, you keep going. I'm going to explain how to do the rest of the page, but I want you to fill it in by yourself. On the next part, I want you to search for and color the hexagons. So I see one here. So I would use my crayon. I'm using a marker so you guys can see me better. I see one. See if you can find any other hexagons. And then at the bottom, you're going to search for and color all of the hexagons again. So here's one. All right, boys and girls, I am so thankful that you let me into your class today. If you have any questions about this paper, feel free to ask your teacher. And I hope that makes sense to you, and I hope you can say, I can identify and name a hexagon. All right, see you in the next video.